What is up, guys? Matt Pal here, and happy Sunday. And today I'll be showing you what I got from Ringside Collectibles. That is right. I don't know what's in here, but it's a mystery. So here we go. I'll try to get it open. These boxes are so hard to open, guys. I really have no clue. Goodness. Doesn't want to open. Here we go. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Whoa. Sweet. It is Velveteen Dream. Pretty cool. At least Series 72. And I have Roderick Strong as well. Pretty cool. And one more is in here. First time in the line. Andre Lamis and Selena Vega battle pack. I have the Sensei Nakamura and still one. So this is pretty cool. This is my first Andre Lamis and Selena Vega figure. So pretty cool. Love it a lot. So yeah, that's about it with this video, guys. If guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See you and happy Sunday.